In this demonstration, we're going to walk through example 1 in section 10.2, hypothesis tests for a population proportion. I'm going to use StatCrunch to find the p-value if we're doing the p-value approach and the test statistic if we're doing the classical approach. So I wanted to introduce you to StatCrunch. So this is going to be the easiest way to do these problems in this chapter. So log into your MyMathLab Plus and click on the StatCrunch tab. So once I've clicked on the StatCrunch tab, then it's going to come up like this in a screen with my account along the side. And up at the top, I click Open StatCrunch. So see where my cursor is? Open StatCrunch. Then the next thing that we want to pick is we want to pick Stat. So click on Stat. We're doing proportions, so we're going to go down to proportions. And we're doing a one sample hypothesis test with summary. So if we had the raw data, we'd pick with data and we'd import it, we'd bring it into this worksheet. But we're going to use with summary. And so I'm going to click on that. And then it says the number of successes. So that's the information that I need for p hat. Remember, p hat is x over n, successes over observations. So in this example problem, the successes is 219 and the number of observations is 500. Then it says, what do you want to do? I want to do a hypothesis test for p. My null hypothesis is that p equals 0.5, and my alternate hypothesis is a left-tailed test. P is less than 0.5. Then I'm going to click Give me my output in a data table, and I'm going to click on Compute. So up along the top, I'm doing a proportion. My x is 219 out of my n, which is 500. The p hat is 0.438. My standard error, 0.0223. The test statistic, z naught, is 2.77 if I'm doing the classical approach. And the p-value approach, my p-value is 0.002779945. So notice, if I'm comparing this and I'm looking at my value, then if I test it against my alpha and my alpha is 0.05, this hypothesis test is going to be a reject. So the p-value is less than alpha, reject the null hypothesis.